I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. Speed Screed take your project seriously and want to ensure that all factors are taken into consideration relating to your floor screed. Our expertly trained surveyors will conduct an in-depth survey in the key areas of your project. Some of those key areas are the substrate condition and its suitability for the required screed, membrane requirements such as slip membranes and damp-proof membranes, insulation specification and checks, perimeter expansion checks, level survey, assessment of site logistics, building environment assessment to support the screed, acoustic check, explanation of the screeding process, ensuring the correct specification to maximise performance and minimise cost. We want to be sure that the screeding system specified is the most appropriate for your needs, providing the best performance and longevity from the screed and associated materials. The screed is only as good as the substrate it is being laid onto. Let Speed Screed assist you right from the start. Our 10-year guarantee will give you total peace of mind. We are the only screeding company in the UK to be ISO 9001 quality and ISO 14001 environment systems accredited. You will receive a full site survey report. Let Speed Screed guide you through the maze of products and systems. If we install your screed, the cost of the survey will be deducted from your final invoice.